Greetings and salutes, everyone, and welcome to the MILSIM. I'm just taking a walk around, waiting on registration and stuff to open up. But here we have the building. Big old school. Big old school. We're gonna have some fun. Have some fun indeed. So, we got time today to set up, relax, because it is currently Friday. Operations start tomorrow. I believe by the schedule we index into FOBs at, well, what was it? 10:10 in the morning. The game starts at 10:30. Goes until 6:30 or 6, something like that. But guys, we're here. We are here. I'm excited for this. Hope you guys enjoy the video and all the content and whatnot, because more than likely I'm gonna die a lot.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start it! Go, 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 go! Sit up there and eat some people. Kill them sushi slashers.
I'm gonna sit right here and fix them. I got it. Yeah. I eat nice.
Cover the stairwell. Cover, cover, cover. I'm out. The gun went down. Staircase, staircase. Hey, staircase is down there, remember? We're still in the fob area. What? No. Oh, hey, hey, hey! Yep. That window open? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Grenade! Hey, aren't we invincible? Oh yeah, no, we're still in the stairwell here. Yeah, we're still in the stairwell. Is there an orange film up there? There is not, which is odd. That's Dead, dead, dead! Dead over here! Dead, dead! Hey, they're up here on the car? No, we're not. No. We're down in this corner. Holy shit. Is he close on the corner? No idea. Close on the corner? I couldn't really tell. Like, is that coming through the broken wall at all? Maybe. It's like halfway down. It's like this direction. Yeah, it's on the right side, down the hallway. Hey, where's my pistol? Well, you ricocheted off something. It's coming in this doorway. Oh, well, then there might be two. He wouldn't be able to do that. It's my real steel belt. Right. Oh, this is my real steel belt, so I don't run the pistol on it. I just like running the belt. It's comfortable. The guy I would argue he got a fucking shit end of when he got shot.
Can't fucking see. Cam's like right there.
I think I'm gonna fucking walk out and go like somewhere else. We're just not in a good spot.
Yeah, no, we're not. We're
Yeah.
pinned the fuck down hard.
If we just leave, and then we'll respawn.
Best way to do that is just pull your dead rag and walk.
That's what I'm thinking. Oh. Womp womp. Yeah. Oh fuck. Ah. I'm just gonna fucking roll it.
How has nobody shot this? I just got shot.
Yeah, I know.
How?
I know.
What happened there, dude? It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Dead man. I'm coming out. Please don't shoot my face. Dead
I
man.
got one of them, but I think there's like 3 right there.
Well, just
They're probably just like rotating each other out.
Oh, that's a big ass spider. Hello.
Yeah! Yeah! Rat crossing! Rat crossing!
there's no way I didn't hit him. Went straight for the muzzle flash. I don't see nobody no more.
It's tight on it, like you have to be like super tight. You also probably need a flashlight to see them.
They might have moved. Oh, nope. That's two different people.
Ow. I mean, I guess
Been here for like 5-10 minutes.
Still, like, that's insane.
Yeah, and I'm dead. I might as well just go back to respawn after the 2 minutes.
Mine's out.
They're coming out. They're coming out. Dad.
Well, everybody, I'm tired. Day 1 in the books. I had some fogging issues. It was humid. It was hot. But it was a blast. First day was great. Took like an hour and a half break. I mean, it went from 10 to 6 nonstop. So it was kind of like a do whenever, you know. Yeah, well, I guess we're gonna get a food review and yeah, we're doing A&W. It was close. We haven't been in forever, but yeah, day 1 in the books. Yeah, I packed MREs for this trip, but after today, man, I need something terrible for you. Alphonse is here. Didn't know he was coming. So here's the funny thing. They told us at the start of this that there's no full auto. Except for a few people. So essentially there's some special folks at this game that get special treatment. And yeah, they get to use full auto. You know, their LMGs and their SMGs. Yeah, good for them. But everybody else is limited to semi-auto. I can't use my grenades. Spent all that time building that loadout. Can't use my grenades. I went lazy today and used my assault loadout. Didn't even use my shotgun. I didn't care. Kind of ruined my mood. They told me I couldn't use my nades. Anyway, to the food review. So we have a, on the menu it is an A2. There's a bacon double cheeseburger. I removed the onion and the tomato. I haven't had A&W in forever, so this is hitting a special spot. Their fries are soggy and mid. I mean, I did drive, pick it up, stop at the store, and then come back. And now I'm eating it. But here's the thing. I got 1 day left. Like 10:30 to 2 tomorrow. We're gonna get it. I mean, there were a lot of points today where we were stuck and couldn't get anywhere. They had that shit locked down. Kind of crazy, but still a good time. School's fucking cool. Oh my god, this is a really awesome AO. Unfortunately, from what I understand, though, this is the last year that's happening because this building is getting torn down. I can understand the chimney's falling off. Probably gonna have myself a walkabout here in a minute or so. You know, maybe get some more B-roll of the outside of the school and the twilight hours, whatnot. But yeah, guys, it's a good time. First impressions of Mere Tactical events, though. The organization and the rules specification are something to be desired, because there were lots of arguments over areas today. I don't know if it was people being just pissy or if they genuinely weren't sure on the clarifications of what stairwells were fob stairwells and which ones, what there were certain holes that were that they used to be walls that you couldn't shoot through because the walls were supposed to be there. Like, I get the buildings falling apart, and I get that this is a safety thing. But don't bust your safety briefing down to like 5 minutes because you started it late, and skip over a whole bunch of shit. Because it kind of felt like they brushed through a lot of things and weren't super clear. And a bunch of the refs apparently weren't super clear on what the hell was going on. So, I don't know. Could have just been moments that I caught that were bad timing or pissy players. I mean, there was a lot of arguments today. And I saw there was a dude that got kicked. I believe I got the initial reaction to that happening. The reasons for him getting kicked, or the admin who saw him, who was actually playing at the time. Yeah. Apparently, some dude got full autoed in the face for no reason after he was shot. And he called his hit. So, yeah. I mean, it could just be me wanting, I guess, enjoying specificity in the rules. Like, I had to ask about my grenade launcher because I wasn't sure if they were talking about 40 mic shells or all 40 millimeters. Oh, these fries suck. But they're seasoned well. But yeah. All in all, though, still a good time. Met a lot of cool people. No, I have not talked to Alphonse, nor did I meet him. He was on the tan team, and I didn't know he was here until he literally walked through the staging area right by me, and I didn't even notice him until somebody pointed him out. Like, I was expecting to see somebody big, and he was not that big. It was just a dude carrying an MG42, and I was like, that's not supposed to be here today. And then I realized it was Alphonse. Yeah. But all good shit. Slex was, in his weird spirits, like normally, if you know Mere Tactical at all. So, yeah. I'm going to finish eating my food. I'm going to take a walkabout. And then, yeah, I'll go to sleep, prep for tomorrow. And then we got 4 hours of game. And, raffle, and then go home. Pack up and go home. Yeah. Hopefully I win. I guess it's a custom-built SR25 that they're giving away. So, if I win, there'll be a video on that. Nothing hits the spot better than a classic A&W burger. I just wish I could have got one of them Frosty Mug root beer floats. Anyway, guys, for my first MILSIM, this is a win. It is fun. It's great. So, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the videos. And, yeah, guys, check out Mirror Tactical. Try some of their other events out, because this one apparently is not happening anymore after this year. But we'll see. Who knows? And, yeah, go give their website a check. All that jazz. You know, still check them out. I can nitpick all day. So can everybody else. But go check out Mirror Tactical. Check out their events. And, yeah. Of course, never ever forget your battle cry.